Why do we keep researching instead of finally doing? Most of us think we are being responsible. We tell ourselves we just need a little more information before we begin. One more article, one more video, one more opinion, then we will finally feel ready. And honestly, that sounds smart. The problem is that research can quietly become a way to avoid uncertainty. Think about it. We want to start something new, and we spend hours watching tutorials, comparing methods, and looking for the best approach. It feels productive because we are connected to the goal. But at the end of the day, nothing in our real life has actually changed. And look, I do not say researching is an unproductive thing to do. It is important. The problem starts when we keep learning long after we already know enough to take the first step. The strange part is that action teaches us things research never can. A video cannot tell us which mistake we will personally make. An article cannot show us the problem we will run into tomorrow. Those answers only appear once we begin. That is why people who start with less knowledge often move further than people who know everything but never test it. Reality gives feedback much faster than endless preparation ever will. A useful question to ask is not, do we know enough? But instead ask, what is the smallest action we can take with what we already know? If we have the answer to that question, then action is required. The truth is that confidence rarely comes before action. It usually grows after we survive the first attempt and realize it was never as impossible as our mind imagined. So, research feels safe because nothing can go wrong while we are still preparing. But the life we want is built from experience, not from information. What is one thing we already know enough to start